Good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. I talk about core strength the most for better control, but one thing I haven't covered much are different types of shoulder exercises that will help with coordination. We really should be stressing all parts of the body to help rebuild new neurological pathways. The following exercises are shoulder mobility exercises. Even though it is working your shoulders, you will also feel it in different muscle groups such as your back and triceps. This is Art Thomas, and I have acquired ataxia. Welcome back to Living with Ataxia.
Straight out in front of you. Press his arm to keep. No, legs down, legs down, legs down. Just the upper body's up. Keep those hands off the ground. Bring them together in the front. Yeah, keep them off the ground. Keep the whole upper body off the ground as much as possible.
I first want to say these exercises look easy. They are the opposite of easy. When I first attempted them, I told my trainer I can do them with no problem. Boy, was I wrong. First, as demonstrated, this is the prone dumbbell press. This and the following exercises I made one major mistake, and that would be lifting my legs. Do not lift your legs. I was treating this exercise as a Superman exercise, and when lifting your legs it makes this exercise much easier, which we don't want because we want to stress the nervous system.
Go. Upper body's off the ground. Don't let them touch the ground. No, feet on the ground, feet on the ground, feet, upper body off the ground. Raise the chest up. Feet on the ground, feet on the ground. Bring them down by your sides. Keep them off the ground, keep them off the ground, keep them off the ground.
The prone shoulder circles, as demonstrated, I had the same issue to where I wanted to lift my feet. Prevent this as much as possible. This exercise doesn't look like circles, but again it's laying a foundation of what's to come. When you have ataxia, it makes most, if not all, exercises much different and extremely difficult. A lot of exercises need to be modified for us, but we need to accomplish the exercises correctly, to rewire those neurological pathways. For some reason I really felt this exercise in my triceps. That is why I said it focuses on your shoulders and back, but you might feel it elsewhere as well.
Touch the ground each time with the hands. Keep that head off the ground, touch the ground. Do 10. Keep the head off the ground, keep the feet on the ground. Come on. Come on.
Now, to the easiest exercise of them all. Even though it's not really easy. These are the prone reverse flies as demonstrated. Remember, with each rep as you come down, ensure you touch the ground, keep your head up and eyes looking forward. This time I didn't have an issue with my feet coming off the ground. Might be a reason why I said this exercise was easier than the previous two. With ataxia or any other neurological disorder, we really need to stress ourselves to help our nervous system. My mother, for example, has MS and would benefit from the exercises I show on this channel, but simply doesn't want to attempt them. Because of not stressing the nervous system, her decline has been rapid. Please help others by pressing that like button, sharing this video, subscribing to the channel, and click that bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. It's all free, and thank you.